Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of my vlog. In this episode of my vlog, we are going to Ikea at Mytown Cheras during this second day of Eid and during this Conditional Movement Control Order here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, if you're new here, my name is Saadon and I vlog about my life and my YouTube journey. Consider subscribing if you want to know what it's like to grow a YouTube channel and my life here in Kuala Lumpur in general. Alright guys, Ikea is located about 5 minutes drive outside of the city center, and we were just passing through this Petronas, this iconic Petronas Twin Towers, the tallest twin towers in the world, and we should be on our way to Ikea shortly. Alright guys, so we are here at Ikea. We are still during the Conditional Movement Control Order, so businesses need to implement certain things for them to operate, and this include to ensure that social distancing is being observed. They also need to take the temperature and the details of their customers or visitors, and visitors and customers need to wear masks at all times. So we'll need to queue up. And we need to wear masks at all time as well inside the premise. Alright guys, we are in now. I'm going to look for a shelves to put some of my things inside my apartment, but I did not find the one that I'm completely in agreement with. So in the end, I just bought a few seat covers or cushions. Alright guys, so that's all for this episode of my vlog. Don't forget to like, to comment and to subscribe, and until the next episode, bye for now.